So today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail and then resize it for TikTok, Short, and Instagram, whichever size you prefer. I'm going to YouTube thumbnails and I am going to select my color, my brain color, and then I'm just going to bring my picture over. Okay, so I remove the background. Either if I want to, so she pop out more. And now I'm gonna change the font most part, and I want to make it bigger. And I want it bolder too. What the heck? I want to change this also right. And this one will be this right. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna change the color here. White. This one white. This one white. I can change the color too. Put it white. Okay. So now I have my thumbnails for YouTube Short. YouTube Short is the same size as TikTok and Instagram Reels. You said it's 1080 by 1920 pixel. So I can resize it to this. So you don't need to start from scratch. Ta-da, you just readjust. And you can even resize it for Facebook if you want to resize it. You just go over here, you hit resize, and then you go to social media and find Facebook. Facebook Reels or Facebook videos. You can resize it to video size or video post, whichever you prefer. Video post landscape. Here we go. I already have it resized for my next platform. You just adjust it the way you want it. hack that helped me save time, save hours every week.